So, our task for today is to write a letter to Julia Donaldson. Now, in your assignment, attached to your assignment is a Google Doc. And I've given you each your own Google Doc, just like you did with all the rhyming words from last week. And there's a template. So I've written out a structure for our letter, but there's lots of spaces and gaps for you to write in your own thoughts and your own opinions. So our letters will be slightly all a little bit different. So where there's a gap or a slot that you need to write in your own thoughts, I've drawn a long line, a long black line, but you can easily delete that and then type in what you would like to say to Julia Donaldson. So I've written some sentences and then left some gaps for you to carry on. So I've kind of helped you along the way. So you don't have to write the whole letter from scratch at all. There's a template for you to follow. I also thought if you'd like, you could possibly draw her a picture of the smartest giant. And then what you could do is you could take a photograph and attach it and send it back to me, and I can print those off. And then once I've got all the letters, we can send them off to her in a big envelope, and hopefully by the time we go back to school, she might have had time to have written us a letter back. So we'll have to wait and see. So that's our task for today. As I said, there's 3 videos to follow. Then there's a documentary on Julia Donaldson, so you can find out a little bit more about her. Then there's the Google Doc form with the template of the letter to follow. And you've each been given your own copy, so you can edit it, write on it, and then send it back to me. If you would like, you can send back a picture to put in the envelope as well for Julia Donaldson. And then the last thing I just want to say is thank you so much for all your homework that you did last week. So many of you, I had a quick look last night, and so many of you have completed the homework. So thank you very, very much. And it looks like you used great rhyming words, and your little rhymes that you've made up are really funny. And I'm looking forward to reading all of those properly. And I promise you that I will mark them all and send them back to you by the end of today. So you will have your mark and your homework from last week returned as soon as possible. So I think that's everything for today. I just wanted to say thank you, middle school, so much. I'm missing you, and I hope you have a lovely time doing your letter to Julia Donaldson. Bye.